Hello and welcome to Know How. Today we're going to know how to make a 3D laser scanner. It has several parts. There's a rotating chair that my mom is going to sit on. There's a laser that shines through a wine glass stem, which splits it into a vertical line, which shines on the model's face. In this case, the model is my mom. A camera looks at that from an angle, and what it sees is a sort of a silhouette of the curvy line. And then the computer, from seeing that line sweep across the face, figures out the 3D shape of the head. Here's our magic stool, which turns at a constant speed, so the camera can look at the laser line that scans your face from every angle. This is an antenna rotor, which we got for free from a house that got fiber optic, digital, immersive, high-res cable stuff and threw out their wonderful old antenna rotor. So this is a really strong thing that you can get for free. You just cut a stool off, put the antenna rotor there, and you're good to go. So here we have our bullseye level and our plumb bob. We use these to calibrate our rotating chair. The bullseye level tells us that the vertical axis of the chair, it really is vertical. And then the plumb bob, we point that at the center axis of the chair, and that helps us align the laser so that the laser is right along the central axis and is totally vertical. Here we have this nice bright laser pointer shining through the wine glass stem. You get your wine glass from the caterers. They just bring them to you if you work in the right place, like at CNET. Our laser line is nice and vertical with the vertical axis of our rotating chair. That's important because if it's off, the top of your head will all be all wide or maybe too narrow and your chin will be all wide. So then by looking at the vertical wiggly line, the computer will figure out the distance to each point on the line. How does a computer figure out the distance to a wiggly line? It does it with the magic of trigonometry. What is trigonometry? Kenny!
Hey, Tim.
Hey, Kenny.
So to show you the magic of trigonometry, we need to go over to the whiteboard over here.
Let's go.
What we actually want to figure out is the distance of features on the face from the center of the head. For example, your nose is further out than your forehead. It's further out than your cheeks. The camera is taking an image of this plane right here, which forms a right angle to the line that the camera is looking at. So now we have a right triangle, and we know this angle theta. And from the image the camera is making, we actually know this distance x. So just simple trigonometry, r times the sine of theta is equal to x.
And this is taught in American high schools?
I think you have to go to Russia to learn this.
So this is my mom. Hi, Mom.
Hello, Tim.
And this is my mom's head that we're going to be scanning. Is that okay?
Fine.
So here's the laser line from the scanner. Something going on in the hair. You want to tell us about that, Kenny?
We tried to get Tim's mom to shave her head, but she wasn't game. So instead, we're all going to wear pantyhose.
I have cute ears.
Absolutely. Don't look into the laser. Don't shine the laser into your eyes. You'll go blind. It'll hurt. My mom is wearing opaque contact lenses, so she's fully protected. So be safe. Are we all ready?
Ready.
So Kenny baked this thing for 20 minutes at 350 megahertz, and here's what he got.
Here's the final product. We have a 3D model of Tim's mom's head. It's all there. She's got a nose, ears, eyes, big hole in the top. And now we can import this into any video game we want. We can
use it for a Doom world. We can fly past it in Flight Simulator. We could 3D print it and make a big coffee mug out of her head. Just the mind boggles what we can do with my mom's head. So that's how you make your own 3D scanner. Check the website for the detailed instructions and download Kenny's hot new executable program to do the software part of it. We're going to go off on our summer break, and we'll see you again in about a month or so.